exposition of the future Moscow, Moscow 2030. And let's see how does the future, the already probably the greatest city, will look like in the near future.
In Russia, an extensive modernization of transport infrastructure is radically transforming how people travel and goods are transported. From major projects like the Power of Siberia pipeline and Arctic LNG to advanced high-speed rail lines connecting major cities, these initiatives underline Russia's commitment to innovation and economic growth. Future endeavors include electric river trams, expanded metro lines, and next-generation trains designed for faster, eco-friendly journeys. Moscow 2030 Exhibition. Moscow 2030 Exhibition, located in the historic Menage Hall near the Kremlin, gives visitors a look into the future of transport and city life. The show is part of a broader set of events across the city, focusing on how public transport in Moscow has changed over time and will develop soon. By featuring immersive displays and life-size models, this exhibit helps people see how the city evolves from its past to a more modern present. In the first section, visitors step into settings that reproduce what life in older Moscow neighborhoods was like. There are scenes with worn-out fences, informal garages, and simple bus stops that many locals still recall. Video walls show how these spots once looked: old cars, scattered kiosks, and basic roads. The exhibition cleverly shifts between past and present, highlighting how even familiar places have been transformed. Next, the exhibit moves into more recent changes. Modern bus stops with digital screens, bike-sharing spots, and sleek electric buses are on display. Visitors can watch how roads have been updated to prioritize pedestrians and reduce clutter. The contrast is striking. Older footage of cramped vehicles and outdated ticket booths appears beside images of modern card payments, quieter rides, and spacious seating. It shows how progress shapes daily commutes. A standout attraction is the chance to explore real train and bus prototypes inside the hall. One of the highlights is a newly designed electric bus split in half, revealing its interior components. Visitors can see the pantograph charger on the roof and the battery pack beneath the seats. Similarly, modern trains are displayed, showing off features like USB charging, improved ventilation, and wider doorways for easier boarding. Technology plays a big role throughout the exhibition. Interactive screens explain new payment methods, such as facial recognition gates in the metro, which let passengers pass without a card or phone. There is also a focus on electric cars, with prototypes from local makers hinted as the future of private travel. By learning about these plans, people gain insight into the city's efforts to lower emissions and boost convenience. The exhibit also features large video walls that shift scenes from older, crowded streets to modern, open boulevards lined with stylish buses. Short films highlight how Moscow used to rely on basic roads and dated vehicles, then compare them to new models with improved capacity, comfort, and reliability. Children's areas allow younger visitors to test their road safety knowledge, while families can learn about the steps behind big infrastructure upgrades. By connecting streets to tomorrow's ideas, the Moscow 2030 exhibition proves that transport upgrades can transform daily life. Smart investments will keep the city moving forward for years ahead and thrive overall. Moscow-Kazan High-Speed Railway. The Moscow-Kazan High-Speed Railway is an ambitious project that aims to connect the Russian capital with the historic city of Kazan at remarkable speeds. Planned to stretch around 770 kilometers, this line is expected to cut travel time from the current 12 hours to as little as 3.5 hours. This improvement will allow passengers to save valuable hours on the train, making journeys easier and more comfortable. Once running, trains could reach speeds up to 350 kilometers per hour, or even 400 kilometers per hour in the future, placing this route among the fastest in the region. Though initial work began with excitement, various funding and technical challenges caused some delays. China has shown interest in helping, providing possible loans for financing. There is also talk that this high-speed route might become part of a larger plan to connect Moscow with Beijing, creating a vast rail link across continents. If completed in its fullest sense, it could foster stronger trade ties and tourism between Europe and Asia. Many see the Moscow-Kazan high-speed railway as an important step for Russia's infrastructure growth. By easing transportation between two big cities, it can bring more visitors, reduce road congestion, and support local economies along the route. Construction also offers jobs for engineers, project managers, and railway workers, while boosting local industries that supply materials and services. Despite the optimism, building a railway of this scale is not simple. Russia's climate, large distances, and varied landscapes pose big hurdles. Winter temperatures can be low, and ground conditions, such as permafrost, must be handled carefully. Still, the potential benefits are huge. By offering a modern rail service, this project will not only change local travel, but also highlight Russia's commitment to progress and innovation. Once finalized, this railway could symbolize a new transport era, linking the capital with Kazan in record time and expanding future opportunities across the nation. Electric buses in Moscow. Electric buses with advanced features have become a key symbol of Moscow's push toward cleaner, more modern public transport. These buses rely on electric power and use pantograph charging systems at stops or depots around the city. When a bus needs a boost, the pantograph on its roof connects to an overhead charger, delivering electricity to the batteries quickly. Thanks to this setup, the city can keep more electric buses on the road throughout the day, covering many routes with minimal downtime. Comfort inside each bus is a high priority. Passengers can make use of spacious, well-cushioned seats that often include USB charging ports nearby. Some seats have USB slots right between them, while others place ports on handrails, allowing riders to charge phones or other devices without leaving their seat. Large windows provide a clear view of the city, and interior lighting has been designed to be bright yet pleasant, creating a calm atmosphere. Air conditioning and heating systems keep the temperature at a comfortable level, despite Moscow's cold winters and hot summers. One main benefit of electric buses is their quieter ride compared to older diesel-powered vehicles. With fewer vibrations and less noise, the journey feels smoother. This quiet operation also helps reduce overall city noise pollution, making streets more peaceful for everyone. Additionally, the electric motor produces no tailpipe emissions, improving air quality. This is an important step forward, since busy urban areas often struggle with traffic-related pollution. Moscow takes pride in operating one of the largest fleets of electric buses in Europe. To support them, the city has installed convenient quick-charge stations along major routes. These stations can deliver a substantial amount of power in a short period, allowing drivers to recharge during scheduled breaks without causing big service delays. Even in winter, careful battery management helps keep the buses running reliably, though developers continue to explore better battery technology. Over time, improvements may lead to longer ranges and faster charging. Inside these modern buses, passengers can also find digital displays showing current stops, upcoming destinations, and transfer points. Such helpful information is further supported by voice announcements, which is a big plus for travelers who are new to the city. Some buses even include onboard Wi-Fi, letting people stay connected to the internet during their ride. All these features reflect Moscow's growing focus on advanced infrastructure aimed at making daily journeys more pleasant for commuters while cutting unnecessary pollution. By investing in electric buses with high-tech comforts, the city shows its commitment to smarter, cleaner ways of moving around. As more people experience the quieter rides, modern interiors, and convenient charging options, the popularity of electric buses in Moscow is likely to rise. Over the coming years, these vehicles could become a standard part of every busy route, demonstrating how new ideas can shape a healthier, more efficient future for urban transport. Electric river trams. Electric river trams have become a remarkable part of Moscow's public transport system, allowing residents and tourists to enjoy a cleaner, more peaceful ride along the city's famous river. Introduced as part of the Moscow 2030 plans, these vessels run on electric power, which means they produce no harmful fumes and make much less noise than older diesel-powered boats. By cutting pollution and noise, they help create a calmer city environment and inspire more people to travel by water. One big advantage of these modern trams is their regular schedule. During the busiest seasons, they run often, meaning shorter waits and easier trips for commuters. Instead of sitting in a traffic jam on crowded streets, people can hop onto a sleek boat and cruise along the river. This alternative mode of travel helps reduce road congestion, especially during rush hour, and creates a fresh choice for those who want a break from typical city buses or cars. These electric trams also feature comfortable seating, spacious interiors, and climate control that adapts to both summer heat and winter chills. Designers made sure to include large windows so riders can admire well-known sights such as the Kremlin or St. Basil's Cathedral, all while relaxing in a cozy seat. Because the ride is calm and less noisy, it is perfect for anyone looking to unwind after a busy day or to show friends around the city. For people unfamiliar with Moscow's geography, these trams can be an easy, scenic way to see major attractions without getting tangled in street traffic. By linking different parts of the city along the river, they spread out foot traffic and steer visitors away from certain crowded hotspots. You can board at a convenient dock, enjoy the waterfront views, and step off near famous museums or parks. This helps balance out the flow of tourists, making it simpler for everyone to explore Moscow at their own pace. Safety is a core part of the design. Each tram is equipped with high-quality battery systems, onboard navigation tech, and staff trained to handle emergencies. During colder months, batteries do face extra strain, but improvements in battery performance help these vessels remain reliable. Engineers keep working on fresh ways to protect the electrical systems from severe temperature drops. By focusing on maintenance and constant innovation, officials hope winter weather will cause fewer problems over time. The boarding process is straightforward, thanks to modern docks that align with the tram entrances. This makes it easier for parents with strollers, older passengers, or anyone carrying heavy bags. Digital screens often display route maps, upcoming stops, and helpful reminders in multiple languages. This benefits non-Russian speakers who want to enjoy a day of sightseeing without fuss. Some trams also provide free Wi-Fi, letting passengers stay connected or plan their next move online. Overall, electric river trams symbolize Moscow's desire to embrace greener transport and forward-thinking solutions. By mixing comfort, style, and convenience, these vessels have reshaped local travel. They offer pleasant journeys for daily commuters and curious visitors, giving them a chance to witness famous city landmarks from a brand new angle. As this program expands, Moscow is likely to see more people riding the river, enjoying a quiet, scenic route that respects the environment and highlights the capital's ever-growing commitment to progress. Facial recognition payment system in the metro. In Moscow's metro system, a new facial recognition payment method has started appearing at select stations, offering travelers a swift way to pay their fare. This system uses cameras at the turnstiles that scan a commuter's face, verifying identity in seconds. Once users link their Troika card to the facial data, they no longer need a physical card or phone to pass through the gates. A quick look at the camera is all it takes. This contactless idea has several benefits, including shorter lines and less crowding during rush hours. Instead of searching for a wallet or phone, riders simply walk up to the turnstile. The system's camera matches their face to stored information, then instantly unlocks. Facial recognition also deters fare evasion, since each pass is tied to an individual user. While not every station supports it yet, more locations in Moscow are being upgraded to offer this convenient option. To use this service, commuters must register their face through an official app or at a kiosk. The software processes and encrypts that image, linking it with the user's payment profile. Though data safety concerns exist, Moscow's transport authorities stress strict privacy controls. Cameras focus on key features, ignoring small changes like hairstyles or glasses. By prioritizing security, officials hope more people will trust this new system. As this innovation spreads, riders can enjoy a faster metro experience across the city. Some stations already report shorter waits, letting crowds flow smoothly through gates. For passengers with heavy bags or children, hands-free payment can be a game changer. The facial recognition system shows Moscow's focus on modern public transport, along with electric buses and better rail links. In time, it may reshape how millions of people ride the metro, merging everyday convenience with forward-thinking technology. With ongoing upgrades, the city aims to boost efficiency, reduce wait times, and enhance passenger satisfaction for years ahead. Transport innovation. In Moscow's metro system, a wave of modern technology is improving how people experience daily travel. Among the new changes are advanced trains with quieter rides, bright interiors, and USB charging ports near seats or on handrails. Many trains come with digital displays that show current routes, upcoming stops, and transfer options, making it easier for riders to plan their journeys. Stations also have clearer signs and announcements in multiple languages, offering a more welcoming environment for locals and visitors. One major upgrade is the expanded use of contactless payment methods, including bank cards, smartphones, and wearable devices. Even more futuristic is the recently introduced facial recognition payment system at select stations. Through face scanning, passengers can move past turnstiles in seconds without taking out a card or phone. This hands-free approach helps reduce lines during peak hours, while advanced security measures aim to protect user data and privacy. Another breakthrough is the ambition to make trains run more frequently, especially during busy periods. By improving power systems and station design, authorities can shorten wait times, letting passengers board faster. Some of the newest cars are also built with wider doorways to allow smoother entrances and exits. With improved ventilation and design, daily commutes become more comfortable and less crowded, boosting overall satisfaction for riders. Moscow's metro is widely praised for efficiency, and these upgrades will keep it at the forefront of urban transport worldwide. Electric buses, river trams, and modern rail links all form part of Moscow's broad plan for a cleaner and faster network. Yet the metro itself stands out as a shining example of how smart solutions can upgrade an entire city. With ongoing developments like new lines, high-tech controls, and upgraded trains, the Russian capital's underground network continues to set a high standard for safe and innovative public transportation. These forward-looking ideas promise a brighter future for daily riders. BYD electric flying scooter. The Weeped Cyberfold electric scooter, commonly called BYD's electric flying scooter, is a high-tech creation by Korean and Japanese engineers, built to be fast, powerful, and modern. It is designed with strong materials to ensure it lasts while offering great performance. This scooter stands out because of its advanced features and unique design, making it a favorite for those who love innovative technology. The Cyberfold is powered by two motors that work together to produce up to 40,000 watts of power. This allows the scooter to reach speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest electric scooters available. It is also equipped with a high-quality Samsung battery that operates at 72 volts and has a capacity of 60 ampere hours. This battery gives the scooter a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for long rides without worrying about running out of power. It gets interesting from here.
The acceleration curve of the scooter felt great, and it was very easy to control.
One of its most impressive features is its folding design. The scooter folds in a way that makes it compact and easy to carry or store, while still looking futuristic and stylish. This makes it not only practical, but also a head-turner wherever it goes. To keep the scooter performing at its best, even during heavy use, it comes with an advanced cooling system. This system helps regulate the motor's temperature, ensuring it does not overheat and stays efficient at all times. With its strong build, high power, and cutting-edge features, The Cyberfold is designed for those who want a reliable and exciting way to travel for $2,000 only. It offers speed, convenience, and innovation all in one package, standing as a top choice for modern riders. The SH-60 Modern Helicopter. The SH-60L is a modern helicopter built to handle a variety of missions. Created by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in Japan with support from the American company Sikorsky,
Japan finishes SH-60L naval combat helicopter development.
this helicopter combines advanced engineering and reliable performance. Its design focuses on versatility, making it suitable for military, rescue, and humanitarian operations. The SH-60L is powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines. These engines are known for their strength and dependability, allowing the helicopter to reach speeds of up to 270 kilometers per hour. It has a flight range of about 830 kilometers and can stay in the air for up to 4 hours without needing to refuel. This gives it the ability to cover large areas and perform missions efficiently. The helicopter is designed to work in tough environments, including over water and in dangerous situations. It is built with strong materials to ensure durability and safety. Its equipment includes anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and automatic cannons, making it highly effective for defense and patrol missions. These features allow it to protect maritime borders, combat illegal activities, and handle threats such as submarines or enemy ships. In addition to its military uses, the SH-60L is also equipped for rescue and humanitarian missions. It can respond quickly to emergencies, assist distressed vessels, and evacuate people in dangerous situations. Its large flight range and ability to carry essential supplies make it valuable for delivering humanitarian aid to remote areas. The collaboration between Japanese and American engineering has resulted in a helicopter that is both powerful and reliable. Its versatility and advanced features make it a critical tool for handling complicated missions, from protecting borders to saving lives in emergencies. The Bell Company Air Taxi. The Bell Nexus Air Taxi is a futuristic flying vehicle designed to transform how people move in busy cities.
At the Bell Nexus, and this is what the future of air transportation might be like.
Created by the Bell Company, which is known for its innovative work in aviation, the Nexus is built to handle crowded urban areas with ease. It uses vertical takeoff and landing technology to eliminate the need for long runways, allowing it to operate in tight spaces like rooftops or parking lots. The Nexus is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, combining electric motors with traditional fuel technology for high performance and reduced environmental impact. This system ensures the vehicle runs efficiently while keeping emissions low, making it an eco-friendly option for city travel. With a maximum range of 240 kilometers, it can complete most urban trips within an hour, offering a fast way to skip traffic and save time. The vehicle can carry 4 passengers and a pilot, making it ideal for short commutes or shared rides. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, the Nexus is designed to handle the challenges of frequent use while maintaining passenger safety. Despite its futuristic design, the interior is simple and practical, focusing on comfort and functionality. Bell has also focused on integrating the Nexus into existing urban infrastructures. This involves collaboration with regulators, city planners, and private companies to create a network of landing sites and charging stations. The goal is to make air taxis a seamless part of city travel, reducing congestion and offering a new way to move around. In the United States, where urban congestion is a growing problem, the Nexus offers a practical solution. Its ability to bypass crowded streets and provide quick, direct routes makes it a strong contender for the future of transportation. Combining innovative technology with real-world usability, the Bell Nexus is a step towards smarter city travel. Get ready for the most epic moment of the video. Suspended monorail trains. Suspended monorail trains in Japan are a fascinating form of transportation that look like upside-down trains. Instead of running on top of the rail, the train cars hang beneath it.
The monorail, aptly named the Optics Valley Photon, with wheels on top, giving it an upside-down appearance. People are fascinated by the train's unique design,
creating a unique and futuristic travel experience. This design is not just visually striking, but also highly practical, making it a popular choice for urban transit and tourist routes. These trains are built for both efficiency and comfort. They can travel at speeds between 60 and 80 kilometers per hour, with some advanced models reaching up to 100 kilometers per hour on high-speed routes. Depending on the model and length, they can carry anywhere from 100 to 300 passengers, making them suitable for crowded cities. One of the standout features of suspended monorails is their ability to operate safely in earthquake-prone regions. They use special vibration absorption technology, which reduces the impact of seismic activity and ensures passenger safety. This makes them a reliable choice in Japan, where earthquakes are common. The compact rail design allows these trains to be installed in densely populated areas without disrupting the existing infrastructure. This is especially useful in cities where space is limited. The rails can weave through tight spaces, making the most of available land while offering a smooth and efficient ride. Passengers are treated to panoramic views of the surrounding urban or natural landscapes through large windows, enhancing the travel experience. These trains are also one of the most environmentally friendly modes of transportation, producing no harmful emissions and contributing to cleaner city air. With their innovative design, safety features, and eco-friendly operation, suspended monorails represent a smart solution for modern transportation in crowded and urbanized areas. They combine practicality with a futuristic touch, offering a unique way to move through the city. Flying taxis. Flying taxis are becoming the next big thing in transportation as more automotive companies explore this groundbreaking concept. These vehicles promise to change urban travel by skipping over traffic, delivering passengers directly to their destinations without delays. Unlike traditional cars, flying taxis rely on electric engines, which means they produce zero harmful emissions, making them a cleaner option for cities looking to reduce pollution. One exciting example is the concept developed by Hyundai in partnership with Uber and the Japanese National Institute. This flying taxi combines innovative design with practical features to create a reliable alternative to ground-based transport. It is equipped with rotatable propeller motors that enable vertical takeoff and landing. During flight, these same motors provide smooth horizontal propulsion, allowing the vehicle to transition effortlessly between modes. The air taxi can carry up to 5 people, offering a convenient solution for group travel in crowded urban areas. With a maximum speed of 300 kilometers per hour and a range of 100 kilometers on a single trip, it is ideal for short city commutes or travel between neighboring urban centers. Built with lightweight yet strong materials, the flying taxi balances durability with efficiency. Its electric propulsion system minimizes noise, making it suitable for densely populated areas without causing disruptions. These features make it an appealing option for cities aiming to modernize their transportation systems while addressing environmental concerns. With the combined efforts of Hyundai, Uber, and Japanese engineers, this flying taxi concept signals a shift toward faster, cleaner, and more efficient ways of moving through crowded urban spaces. It is paving the way for a future where air travel is no longer limited to airports. Concept I Flying Vehicle. Joby Aviation, in collaboration with Toyota,
Joby Aviation and Toyota Motor have completed Joby's first international exhibition flight, which took place at Toyota's Technical Center in Japan,
has introduced a groundbreaking electric flying vehicle, the N5423JX, also known as the Concept I. This vehicle is designed to revolutionize urban mobility with its impressive features and clean energy approach. With a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour and a flight range of 240 kilometers, the Concept I can easily cover short urban distances or travel between nearby cities. The vehicle's fully electric powertrain ensures it produces zero carbon emissions, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation. Its quiet operation is another major advantage, allowing it to fly through crowded cities without disturbing the peace. At the core of the Concept I is an advanced AI system called UI. This artificial intelligence learns and adapts to the driver's behavior, offering a more personalized and intuitive experience. The vehicle's sleek design features large glass windows and unique guillotine-style doors, giving it a futuristic look while maintaining practicality. The minimalist interior can comfortably accommodate 4 passengers, and all essential information is displayed on a large screen, keeping everything simple and easy to navigate. UI also enhances communication by allowing the vehicle to interact with people outside using light signals and text messages. This innovative feature could be especially useful in urban environments, where clear communication is essential for safety and convenience.